Well, we have announced, right, for actually this year in our last video, okay, how you have inspired us to come up with a challenge that will allow us to grow our community, a challenge that will allow us to continue adding value to each other. So you have shown interest in more videos based on our principles, right? But our principle related to project. You have shown interest in every topics around geopolitics, any topics around Africa development, okay, the motherland's development. You have shown interest, okay, on videos where it's about technology, it's about innovation, it's about what actually our generation are doing in terms of technology, okay. Maxwell Chikumbutu video is one sign where we shared our principle. So we'll continue the same dynamic, bringing out through also technology, innovation, right? Bringing out actually the principle that you need to see behind that. We have always been about a community that focus on intuitive technology solution. There is a reason why we choose that. And hopefully, through all our videos, you're seeing the trend. So, here's the challenge. Every month, inspired by all your comments, every month, we will actually see videos that have got or reached, okay, more than 2,000 individuals, meaning that 2,000 who actually view the video. So under the 2,000, the winner will be the person who put a comment under the video, a comment that is approved, okay? A comment that many of our community will actually or have liked, okay? It means that the person brought some value added to our effort on bringing awareness around life principles, bringing awareness around conation, bringing awareness around the one thing that makes us unique. That if you remember, we said in our prior video, we are all Hope Bank Academy. Why Hope Bank Academy? We are Hope Bank because we are a bank of hope, standing for harmony in us and around us, always looking for that harmony. Is only from that your wellness, your wealth will come from. Obedience, okay, for life principles in us and around us. Look for your passion, purpose, and get to execution, get to action. So we are all Hope Bank. Individually, you are Hope Bank, I'm Hope Bank. So based on this, we're going to reinforce the winner will be able to have access to either our online platform, our online courses or learning around Conation. And for those one who are in North America, those one who are especially in North Carolina, those one who actually feel like they can come in, they can also have access, or the winner will have access, that winner will have access also to our in-person training on how to develop the power of intuition in us. I hope you're excited. I hope you will like this. We'll start doing this actually from the month of April, and we'll see how all of you guys will be engaging with us so that winners can be testimonial of everything we've been talking about, beside the projects that we've been sharing with you on this channel, bringing out the principles that define how successful a human being can be, that define how fulfilled a human being can be. Because through the conation, if you were able to build harmony with your intellectual and emotional part of the being that you are, you will see wonders in your life. Get excited. Don't hesitate. Get engaged. Put your comment. Contribute. Because contribution, remember, is a part of our Kobe growth model. And I'll see you someday as a winner in this challenge, in the process that we are starting. Check out this video every time. We're going to be talking about this, and I'll see you in the next video. We are growing, growing.